Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see what's the energy coming to you ngayong August 2026. Okay, this is your monthly reading. Of course, these are just general readings. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Taurus, what's up? What's up? What's up? For Taurus, ngayong August 2026. Wow, personal growth. Oh, ang ganda. You will develop yourself. And you will, kumbaga makikita mo rito na maraming magbabago sa'yo for the better. Kasi may awareness ka na ng mga bagay na kailangan mong i-improve sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Importante kasi may awareness. Kasi kung meron kang awareness, makikita mo yung potential mo. 'Di ba? Paano ba magkaroon ng awareness? E di mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Oh, healer. Okay, so some of you meron kayong healing capacity. Like abilities. Capacity abilities. So maaring you will be healing from your past. That's part of your personal growth. Healing your trauma. May understanding ka of what you have experienced in the past. That makes sense kasi Chiron is in Taurus right now. So, a lot of healing for you, Taurus. Let's see. The moon, perception. The moon is also how you think. Kasi iba iniisip, Mercury lang. Mercury yung ano. Oo, Mercury, your thoughts. But the moon is like your mind itself, diba? So, how you perceive life. I think, ngayong August, you will go deep within you. Like, what do you want? What do you want to improve on yourself? In yourself? Anong gusto mong improve sa sarili mo? So, mas magiging sensitive ka to your own needs. You will be more sensitive to what you really deserve. Diba? You will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Diba? Kasi that's part of your growth. You want to grow. You want to level up. O, you may upgrade. What is your overall energy? Ang overall energy ng mga Taurus ngayong August. You have the Two of Pentacles. You will be busy. Parang meron kang minamadali rito na parang gusto mo maayos agad, ma-improve agad yung mga goals mo. And you just have to manage your time. Okay? Kasi minsan, that can be doing too much or a lot of things all at the same time can be exhausting. Nakakapagod yan. Your challenge, diba? In-overthink mo na ng malala. Ang mahirap rin kasi kapag pagod yung physical na katawan mo, pati yung utak mo pagod rin. So, yun yung challenge sa'yo. Okay? Gaya ng nasabi ko, moon is also your brain, how you think. And how you perceive life, how you process things. So, can be overwhelming for some of you ngayong August. Because parang gusto mo kasi ngayon na makita agad yung resulta ng mga tinanim mo. Gusto mo agad, let's say, nagtanim ka noong July, gusto mo agad makita na namumunga ngayong August. Siyempre, it takes some time. Okay? So, wag mo i-pressure yung sarili mo. Wag mo i-pressure. Don't be too hard on yourself. Relax. Take a breather. You know. Opportunity, the Knight of Swords. Talk to someone. If wala kang makausap, talk to yourself. Talk it out. Write down whatever you feel, however you feel. You have the opportunity also na labanan yung mga ino-overthink mo sa buhay. Kasi syempre, I know na may mga pressure sa paligid ninyo na you have to perform, you have to be the best, but it's not always the case. If you think that you are the best, then you are the best. You don't need to compare yourself sa iba. 'Di ba? Now, your blessing, what's the blessing? Mm. The blessing is you're moving to a new place, moving to a new direction, may redirection for you. I think itong personal growth na to has something to do with your choices. Okay? You are choosing which path to take, and sometimes nasi-challenge ka na, ano ba, saan ba rito mas makakabuti para sa akin? 'Di ba? Minsan nakakalito naman talaga. And the moon is telling you to go within you. 'Di ba? So that is about your inner self. Ask yourself, what do you really want? Na hindi mo i-consider yung iisipin at sasabihin ng ibang tao tungkol sa'yo. It's about you. Now, you are going to a new direction. Merong redirection dito. I think that's part of your self-improvement, that you are making changes doon sa mga plano mo. Oh my God, oh. We're so aligned here, Taurus. Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. So this is what I'm talking about. May mga times na talaga na parang hindi tayo makapili. Kasi nga, we want the best for us. But the question is it really best for you or best for others? Diba? That's why, yun yung nagpapastress sa'yo, nawawalan ka ng direction. Okay? Light-hearted, carefree time. Alam nyo, Taurus, if things are overwhelming, na stressful sa inyo, go out. Oo, labas ka lang. Treat yourself. Be kind to yourself. Carefree time. Ayan, no? Punta ka sa ano. Kahit mag-isa ka, mag-malling ka, pupunta ka sa spa, magpa-massage ka, and you will feel better. Okay? Natatawa na lang ako minsan sa mga guides ko kasi parang inuulit lang nila yung sinasabi ko. A short journey. Travel. Ngayong August, you will travel. You will go to different places, and that's part of your self-improvement. Di ba nga sabi nila, kapag daw ikaw ay nag-travel, mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo. Oh, finding balance. I'll ask how ito yung sinasabi natin. Ask how to bring balance to the situation and into your heart. Tap into what you love, what you want to do for yourself. Hindi yung kung ano yung gusto ng ibang tao para sa'yo. Oh my goodness. Ewan ko na lang talaga. I am so happy na we are aligned. Conservation. Make conscious choices. Yes, may pipiliin ka na aware ka kung bakit mo yung pinipili. Hindi dahil sa, kasi favorite color mo or whatever. Or yun yung gusto mo lang dahil sabi ni ganito. It's about you. Conscious choices, awareness, that why are you choosing that for you. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.